located in Wuxi City, which be known as the Global Electric Motorcycle Manufacturing Center. DOFA factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters and specialized in electric moped and electric motorcycle manufacturing for more than 15 years. It has the national level certification and electric motorcycle production qualification. In 2019, Tianjin factory was set up and focus on the development and manufacturing of electric bicycles and tricycles. The factory has an advanced comprehensive product R&D center. It's equipped with advanced production lines and complete vehicle testing equipment. We keep in mind the mission of greening the world and benefiting mankind, and insist on the purpose of making customers more satisfied. Striving to create high-standard zero-defect products. Relying on professional level and mature technology, we constantly optimize the innovation mechanism, update the quality inspection system, and adapt to the all-round needs of customers. The sales area covers 29 provinces across the country and more than 50 foreign countries. We firmly believe that excellent products come from excellent employees. We not only require employees to act quickly in the face of problems, but also require enterprises to be quality-oriented and do their best. Welcome global partners visitation and communication.